Welcome to Tech Valorant. In this short and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enable 4K recording on your iPhone. So before we start, you need an iPhone that is compatible with 4K. So anything like iPhone 7, 8, 10, 11, and SE are second generation are compatible with 4K. But some of them might have a lower frame rate. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first, go ahead to your settings app and you want to scroll down until this bit here, until you see music and camera. So if you count it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the sixth section. So you want to just press camera. And so mine's already enabled, but yours could be at 180p or 720p. So you just select the option you want. And of course, the higher the resolution, the more battery life it will take away. So if you want the highest, it's 4K at 60 FPS. And that's for video. And for slow-mo, it's only HD at 240 FPS. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in another video.